Welcome to Pencil, where the power to publish your book is in your hands, at your convenience. In this video, we will understand how to publish your book in 5 easy steps and make it available in ebook and paperback format on 400 plus retailers worldwide. To get further details on this, log on to our website, www.thepencilapp.com. Once you log on to Pencil, you will be redirected to the author dashboard. Please note that we have a detailed overview of each of these stages on our YouTube channel. Make sure to check it out. The first step is a writing stage. Click on Write a Book to kickstart your publishing journey. In case you have a book title in mind, add it here. If not, you can skip it for the time being. With the help of our easy-to-use editor, you can write your book and format it to ensure your final output looks professional. In case you start writing your manuscript on the platform, you can make notes on our editor for reference. Check your outline using our book structure on the left side of the screen to ensure that you have added the compulsory pages like About the Author. Add your chapter and other miscellaneous pages as you deem fit. Once done, you can look at an overview of the same, and it's good to go. You can save and continue to the next step. The second step is to add your book information. This includes book title, subtitle, genre, subgenre, language, keywords, and back blurb. To learn some tips and tricks to add effective keywords and back blurb, check out our video on our YouTube channel. The third step is to create your book cover using our cover creator. You can either upload your own cover in 5x8 dimension, design your own cover using our wide range of free cover templates, use the official Canva plugin to design your cover or request for design service, and hire our team experts to make it for you. Whichever option you pick, our platform auto-generates a spine and back cover. For the purpose of this video, we will upload a ready cover and proceed to the next step. The fourth step is to set the price and check your royalty by entering our marketplace. Use our price recommendation tool to ensure maximum returns. At this stage, you can select the MRP of your book for international and domestic distribution in ebook and paperback format. The fifth and final step, to cross-check and confirm your book details and pricing and royalty. Click on User Details and add your PAN card and Aadhaar card details in case you're an Indian user. For any other country, you can add your passport details. Save and continue to digitally sign our agreement. Please ensure you read the salient points of our author-publisher agreement carefully and click on Read and Sign Agreement to see the complete agreement. Once you review and read the agreement carefully, you can either virtually sign or e-sign using your government-approved ID. Once done, click on Proceed. Follow the steps required to verify your ID and click on Publish. There you go. You are now a globally published author with your book available on 400 plus retailers including Amazon, Flipkart, Kobo, Google Books, and more in both ebook and print format. Hope this video was helpful. Happy publishing!